pretty happy with the shotgun. Like, I think it's probably my favorite gun. It's so good.
It's pretty great.
Yeah, it's pretty nuts.
It's not even
the kill the first shot though.
It's really not the OP-ness of the gun though. It's like just the sound and the feedback. So like feels so good, right?
Who needs ammo? Bonk.
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 Melon.
Bonk, bonk, bonk. I've got ammo!
Boo, leave me alone.
Nah.
Who needs
Fuck
ammo?
Nah.
You need ammo?
Do I need ammo? Yes, I do need
My
ammo.
big needle stick isn't picking. Like,
Boo!
anything, it moves.
Dude, my whole job is to
It
give
doesn't pick
people
anything
trust
up.
issues.
There we go.
That's serious trust issue.
Oh, melon.
Did I hear a melon?
Nom.
No,
Nom,
Roo, fuck
nom.
off. Fuck off.
I got a melon on my head.
I think Room's either a traitor or just
Go away, room.
I got the
detective. Detective, Roo's bullying.
Alright,
Room strike, leave me alone.
Don't leave me be.
I got the melon boys.
Leave me alone.
Help me.
Oh shit, no.
Roo!
Get in this goddamn door.
Let me in, Rook.
Roo's probably the jester.
We must protect Melon.
We must protect the melon.
Help me! Help me! Roo's coming!
You're no longer the avatar, you are the melon bender.
Well, it is mostly water.
Everyone's just protecting the melon. What the
Melon.
Melon! Bishop is our new god.
It's so important and innocent if I'm worshipping a melon.
The melon protects.
Where is the melon?
No, you're
Hey.
not.
Can I join your melon
The
clan?
melon is.
Wait.
The melon says no!
Where is the
Melon
melon?
thinks you're not worthy.
Melon! Melon!
You guys are
Look to
new.
right. Melon! Striker killed the melon! Striker killed the melon! Oh, he's killing me!
Oh, fuck me! Fuck me!
Strike, man.
Oh, I'm out! No!
Killed the melon.
We must get revenge for the melon!
No.
Where is Striker?
Fucking melon.
Oh, he's healing.
Oh!
We have the body of the melon defiler!
Take him to the.
Behold!
No.
Heretic!
You must take him back to the source, back to the bin where the melon began. Only then can we sacrifice him to our melon god.
Heretic!
Healing.
Heretic! In the trash where you belong, heretic! The fuck? Rue just died right next to me.
Oh my god.
Was there a slam? Oh, this doesn't look good for me.
A few moments later.
I see him! He's on! He's...
Hey, Garrett.
You get
Oh.
the banter with a slam! Like, I thought it was a slam.
Oh, fuck.
Like you didn't see that one. It was the most obvious one I placed.
That was some.
Spontaneously combusted beside me.
Yeah, I was watching you next, like, putting the heretic next in the bin. I was like, notice the red laser!